close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today in this video I'm going to unbox Samsung A32 mobile, which costs 21,000 now in market. Guys, this mobile has many features and many camera features, and I'm going to show you this all in this video. So guys, please watch the full video so that you can know how the phone is. And this is not a 5G phone guys, this is just a 4G phone, but I'm doing unboxing in this video. So you watch the full video and I'll give more information about this mobile.
Guys, this mobile model is Samsung A32 guys. Now I'm going to unbox
And
it.
guys, that's it. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe guys. Please subscribe. So many are not subscribing and watching my video. Please subscribe guys, that helps to make more videos for me. So please subscribe and see all my videos. Thanks for watching guys.
We are going to unbox this mobile. Here we are going to see a Galaxy A32 mobile, Samsung mobile, and here we have the specifications: AMOLED display and 64 megapixel quad camera, 5000 mAh battery, and these are all the specifications of this. As you can see in the
Hello guys, here is the box. Now let us open the box and see what's there inside the box. Guys, here the phone look is amazing guys. I'll show you in later. Guys, here firstly we have the mobile, the king of the video. Let us keep it aside. Firstly, let us wrap the cover out guys. Guys, this is a unique design which I have liked. This is an amazing design guys. And in the box we have another small box which provides us SIM ejector tool. And this is like a box. Let us open it and what's there inside, let us check it out. Guys, here we have a quick start guide and regional lock guide and warranty card information. That's it. Nothing is provided like case in the box. We have to buy a separate case for this mobile guys. And here we have the adapter of 15 watt adapter guys. This is not a flagship level adapter, just a 15 watt fast charger. And here we got a cable of type A to type C cable. They provided us type C cable. This is a nice move guys. That's it in the box. Nothing provided like earphones or what. Now let us check the mobile. How is it? Now let us check the how is mobile is. Guys, here we have type C cable provided in the box itself, and we have a 15 watt adapter, and this is the mobile, and this is SIM ejector tool and some useless guides. That is the box. That's it guys. Nothing is provided extra case or what. They do not provide in high-end mobiles. That's it. Now let us see how the mobile is. Guys, here we got 4 cameras, which 64 megapixel, 5 megapixel macro lens, 5 megapixel wide angle, and AR flash. And this is IMEI information or number, and this is 128 GB variant guys, which I have brought to home. Guys, here we have noise cancelling microphone, and here we have type C cable, speaker, and noise cancelling primary mic, and 3.5 mm headphone jack. And here we have SIM tray, which provides us a triple slot with memory card and 2 SIMs. And guys, if you don't need any of the apps provided by the Samsung brand company, you can delete from the home page only. No need to go to settings or disabled apps. Guys, as you can see in the video, mobile is running on One UI version 3.1 and Android version 11. Android 11 the mobile is running on, guys, as you can see clearly mentioned in the video. As you can see in the video, 20% of the storage was filled by system apps and system only, as you can see in the video. Guys, now I have set up the fingerprint scanner in this mobile, as you can see. Guys, now I'll off the mobile and see how is it working. Now I've off the mobile. Guys, it is unlocking, but it is taking time to unlock. It is okay for that budget, guys. It is okay, not that bad or not that good. It's okay, but taking time to unlock, as you can see in the video. But it's a nice mobile, guys. Basically this mobile design is awesome, guys. I have liked the mobile design and camera design of the mobile. Well, this is an amazing mobile for the prices, guys. And thanks, guys. Bye for now. Guys, now let us see the specifications of the mobile. It comes with 6.4 Super AMOLED display and 90Hz screen refresh rate and 800 nits of brightness and 5000 mAh battery and 5.2 on fingerprint scanner, 128 GB, 4 GB, and the processor is 4 GB, 128 GB, and 8 GB, 128 GB variants the mobile comes in. And the rear camera వచ్చేసి 64 megapixel, 5 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and 5 megapixel macro lens, and AR flash will be backside. And front camera is 20 megapixel front selfie camera. And all the warranty of things provided in the box. We get 1 year warranty, and to mobile 6 months 6 months brand warranty we get from mobile company itself. And thanks, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, guys. Macro samples, selfie camera samples, portrait shots, self portrait shots, wide angle samples, portrait shot rear camera samples, night mode. ఇంకా ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారంటే మీకు వీడియో ఎంతో కొంత నచ్చే ఉంటుంది. కింద ఉన్న ఆ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ నొక్కి వెళ్ళండి, సో దట్ నాకు అది హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. నేను ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ ఎన్నో తీసుకొస్తాను. థ్యాంక్స్, గైస్. బాయ్ ఫర్ నౌ, గైస్. బాయ్.